Okay, so YouTube's good. I think we're good. This is so weird. Okay, I think we're good. Sorry guys, I'm just I don't know what I'm doing right now. I'm just playing around with this stuff. I'm playing with Restream right now, so just want to make sure everything's good to go. So I'm currently streaming on both Twitch and YouTube. I think. Okay, so I'm gonna close out of both. Hello, Furious. How you doing? I'm just gonna try to get the chats open now. That was way harder than it should have been. Now it's saying the Twitch isn't working. Just give me a second, guys. Trying to figure this out right now. No. Think I'm streaming? It says I'm streaming. I don't know how Twitch works, so I just need to bring up the chat. Yes, chat app. Oh, I have to download it? No. Okay. I might just get the app, actually. Hold on, guys. Sorry if I'm not reading your guys' messages real quick. Just don't know what's happening, really. I have no idea what's going on. I have no idea what's happening. I'm using Restream right now. We're trying something new. We're trying to stream on both Twitch and YouTube simultaneously for like maybe the first hour or two. And then after that, we just move completely to Twitch for the rest of the stream. Just because if we do really long streams on YouTube, then we've noticed our views, CPM, everything just goes down, and just not a good experience. Okay. I can't tell if this chat app is working. Can someone just send the message? Oh, wait, I know why. Yeah, if someone could just send the message, I would really appreciate that. I'm looking at the Restream chat app right now. Just want to make sure it's working. I'm like completely new to this. I feel like an old man. One moment. Okay, thank you. CRMO. I appreciate that. All right, so this works. Oh. So I guess... Ryan, if you're watching right now, just like change the... I don't know how Twitch live streams works. Like change the thumbnail if you can. Change the description to be the same one as the YouTube one, because I really don't know how Twitch works. Again, I think this is my first Twitch stream, and so far it's like really terrible. So I search on Twitch. Leo. This is good weather to work on your car, because if I remember correctly, you are kind of located by me. Tuner Hungary. Okay, this seems to work. Thank you, Mr. CMO. Okay, this is the tough part because I gotta put it on Discord that we're streaming now. I wish Restream would just give you the links. Okay. All right. It's beautiful out. It is beautiful out. Oh, no. We are live. Fortnite Clone on YouTube and Twitch. At least the Twitch URL is always like really nice. It's just so easy. It's so nice. I could just type it up without even looking. Okay. Ryan, I don't even know what's going on. Ryan just flamed me because I didn't put monetization on the stream. And do you use OBS with Twitch? Yes. The quality is way better on Twitch. I'm not surprised. This is so weird. But thank goodness we have the chat up. Okay. I need more monitors. Ryan, just tweet it out for me, please. I don't want to do that. It's too much work. Okay, so we're gonna literally start from scratch because honestly, I'm way too lazy. So recently got Unreal Engine, latest version 4.25. Unless something changed. When I say change, I mean like they updated to 4.26, but I don't think so. Also, I got the classic milk. You know what's weird about that? They say online that YouTube has lower delay, but I also wouldn't be surprised either if Twitch had a better delay. I need to have my... Oh... This is gonna be really weird with donations. Ugh. Hopefully hopefully people don't donate because I'm probably gonna miss it, to be honest. I don't know how it's gonna work with this. Ryan, I'm gonna be real with you. I'm literally not gonna check Discord at all. I literally have way too many things open right now. If you're watching, or if I don't respond to you, then that's gonna be the case. You're gonna have to communicate through this chat because literally, this chat window takes up a whole monitor for me. So I'm not gonna be on Discord unless I like need help with something. I'm just letting you know, Ryan. I don't even know if you're watching, so. Twitch, YouTube, all the same. Why is Unreal Engine not starting up? It's taking forever. It's very weird. Now my phone is like glitching out too. How's everyone's day going? That's the real question. I know I sound like really, really tired. I feel really weird right now. Not like sick, but okay. Why is this taking so long? It's way too laggy. Oh yeah, it is really laggy. This is so weird. I can't chat back saying hello to one person on YouTube because it's gonna look weird for people on Twitch. Wow, this is actually taking forever. Hold on, I'm gonna see if that made it better. I stopped running Unreal Engine. It was just taking way too long. I think I might like start it up again. I just want the stream to go back to normal. Let me know if it goes back to normal. Add Nightbot Beast. We're gonna have to redirect that to Mr. Ryan, aka legit. Let me know if the stream's back to normal or is it still lagging? Is it still lagging? I'm not even running anything now. Dude, I have no idea what's going on. I have no idea what's going on. I don't even know if like the stream is good now. Okay, it looks good on YouTube. Excuse me scratching my nose. I think we're good. So for those who just joined, trying something new, streaming on both Twitch and YouTube simultaneously for about an hour or two, and then switching to Twitch when the streams get really long so that we don't hurt our channel algorithm-wise. Because what we noticed is that when we stream for a while on YouTube, like I'm talking like really long, like 6 hours plus, our CPM goes down, views go down, likes go down. I don't really understand why, so we're trying something new. Now for what we're actually doing in the stream, make it plain and simple. We're just gonna start a new Unreal Engine project and just start making things. But I'm having a hard time because it's not a hard time. It's just whenever I try to start Unreal Engine, it lags the stream. So I'm gonna give it another go. Starting from scratch. Literally just starting from scratch, bio. Just literally trying to start a new project. I'm gonna try launching Unreal Engine again. I hope it doesn't just lag this stream. Thank you, Zamono. It might lag the stream again, so I'm gonna be really upset if it does. Now it's stuck at 39%. Why does it always do this? I don't understand. Does it just take a while to start Unreal Engine? I don't understand. So annoying. It's gonna start lagging again, isn't it? JC. Nope, it's gonna start lagging again. Dude, I hate this. Why does this always happen? Hold on, I'm gonna... Starting from scratch, yeah, we did have a new version, but it's so messy. I mean, it's really unreadable. I can't even go back and like make it work again. So, and also I need to just learn some fundamentals with Unreal Engine again. Um, User system and integrations. Maybe bio. I don't think we're gonna be there yet. I think we're just gonna start with game mechanics and just. But when we do get there, I'll definitely ask you for more help. I mean, how else am I supposed to start Unreal Engine if I don't start from Visual Studio? It's compiling shaders. I mean, we could pause the stream. We just pause the stream while it's launching it. Just another thing. I think it's more so. I mean, it probably is the debugger, but also I haven't started Unreal Engine yet. I just downloaded 4.25, so it's the first time. Yeah, I gotta stop doing that. I gotta stop. I gotta stop like starting things for the first time on stream. That's probably not the greatest idea ever. Hello, Affix. Yes, yes, absolutely. We're gonna start from scratch. Because honestly, I don't even think I know that much about Unreal Engine development anymore, to be quite honest with you, guys. Alright, I'm gonna. No, not build. Already build it. Alright, we're just gonna start it. We're gonna run it again. And I might put the stream on pause. Well, actually, let me just try it again. Let me just try it again. If it is compiling shader like Beast said, then we got no hope then, honestly. It is compiled though, that's the thing. Yeah, now it's stuck at 39%. Alright, so we're just gonna pause the stream. we're gonna try what Bio said. Very surprised this works. Game left or Andre Ferreira. No, it's not. We're not done. I just stopped debugging it. I wish it was done. It's so annoying. Andre Ferreira, I believe. Nah, it's still stuck at 39%. All right. In true flop ram fashion, we are finally ready to officially begin the stream only after about an hour. Okay, so we're going to be starting completely from scratch. We will still be using models from the old project, but I kind of want to just get myself back into UE4 development in general. And when I say UE4 development, I'm talking like real UE4 development, like game mechanic development. Like today in today's stream, I want to really look at gameplay ability system like really far. Maybe if we get farther into the stream, and by that point, I'll probably only be streaming on Twitch. Maybe we can get into like aim offsets, weapons, and stuff. But for now, just for those who just joined the stream, we're gonna try something new. So currently, I'm on Restream, so I'm currently streaming on both Twitch and YouTube. And the idea is to stream on both for about an hour or two, because if we stream too long on YouTube, then the algorithm tends to not favor us anymore. But we'll keep streaming on Twitch. So our Twitch URL is twitch.tv/flopram. Maybe someone can post it in case someone asks for it, but for now, let's just get started. I'm so new to this. I have so many like restream windows open right now because I don't want to miss anything, but all right, let's make a game. Third person template. I could technically use blank, but I mean that would be technically really starting from scratch. But honestly, I think third person is. I think we should do that. C++, again, it's just my preference. I don't think we need starter content. We'll do max quality. Ray tracing disabled. Yep, desktop. So, I've been kind of debating the name for a while, but because eventually I do want to change the GitHub repository name to not be Fortnite Clone anymore, because with the name Fortnite, I'm not gonna lie, it is getting kind of big now. I mean, literally, if you look at like the top UE4 tagged projects, I think Fortnite Clone is actually like in the top 10 or 20. So I'm gonna be careful here. I don't want the name to have Fortnite in it anymore, because I don't want it to get DMCA'd. And it shouldn't get DMCA'd. But if I use her name, I'm going to use it. I think in the YouTube videos, we'll keep using the name Fortnite Clone. But I think we're going to just name it Flop Night. It's simple. HY. Hello, Rayan. Rayan Almarabet. But yeah, I think third person template makes sense though. I mean, it's literally a third person game. I don't want to literally start from scratch. That's why like I have to qualify it, because we are going to use models from the old game. Like we are going to use Leo's map, but importing that takes time and we're not going to focus on that anytime soon. This stream, we're just going to do like game mechanics slowly. But yeah, someone posted Twitch. So again, just follow us on Twitch, because this stream, once we get like really long, we're only going to be on stream. On Twitch. We're only going to be streaming on Twitch, so... Okay, so Flop Night, that's just going to be the new name. I think I'm just going to stick with that. I think it's pretty intuitive that it's a copy of Fortnite and it doesn't literally use the name Fortnite. So we're gonna make this now. So great. Okay, hopefully I explained that well. Maybe I should get a third monitor. What do you think about having a first person Flop Night? Oh. That'd be interesting. I do want to recreate a first-person game eventually, but for now, we'll keep Flop Night close to the original as much as we can. Let me quit out of like a bunch of apps, because maybe that's why it could be also like things are slowing things down. Flop Night sounds like a physics-based Fortnite. Ooh, I like the way that sounds. And I was thinking about spelling with two P's as well. but it looked weird. But I think a first person Fortnite would be cool. So is it starting up? That's really weird. Did it even create? Okay. Okay, I'm starting the build. Third person indeed. Sometimes I think my computer is really fast, but moments like these when it takes me forever to compile shaders and load Unreal Engine for the very first time make me realize that maybe my computer isn't that good. But I'm not going to be upgrading anytime soon, so. How long do you think you'll be working on Fortnite? If we're time out today, honestly, a long time. I want to really work on this. Because again, the last few times I was putting it off because for me, I'm one of those guys, I can't get like a lot of work done in like 2 to 3 hours. I need to literally work for like 8 to 12. I don't know if there are any OGs in here who have been watching streams from like beginning of 2020, but I mean, that's the only way I could get work done. Literally, if I just work 8 to 12 hours. I'm just not an efficient person. Don't know why it is, but I need to waste a lot of time to learn like very few things. It's just how it is. So just chill, please, on Twitch. I'll probably be working on it for a while, at least today. And then bio, yes, I'm finally streaming. Man, this is so slow. Oh. But yeah, first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna just take a look at gameplay ability system. So it's gonna be pretty boring at the beginning. And then after that, we'll look into we're gonna look into like maybe aim offsets. Maybe. Maybe. Oh. Just gotta. Oh my goodness. We love compiling shaders, guys. We love compiling shaders. Okay. Let's expand this a bit. Okay. I have to do the same thing. Great minds think alike bio, isn't that right? Gameplay ability system. So last time I was looking at this guy's documentation. I was actually looking at a lot of people's documentation, but it was this guy's. There's no such thing as short hours fast work from bio on YouTube. That's just chill, please. I love hearing that on Twitch. Nice, glad to know I'm also working you before while watching your stream. Nice to have a coding pal. I love hearing that. It's so true. This is why you prep before stream. I know, bio. I'm really bad at streaming. I'm really just bad at life. Beast. That's gonna be a tough one. We'll take some breaks here and there to play Type Razor though, because you know. Okay. So I kind of read some of this stuff. What is gameplay? Maybe I should explain it. Highly flexible framework for building abilities and attributes of the type. Yeah, bio. I think that's actually a good point. So someone said before you do any gameplay, get the server set up and replication 100%, so that all your changes thereafter will already be networked. I'm gonna like, yeah, so that's a good point. I'm gonna try to modify my strategy. I'm gonna just try something new. I'm gonna try to like work on it simultaneously. It might be a mess, but we'll see how it goes. So use status effects can build up or whatever. Okay. Just for those people who don't know what GAS is, just gameplay ability system for short, it's basically just, it's sort of just a framework. So it's not plug and play. You have to implement off of it. It's basically a good way to make abilities and attributes, and it's specifically designed for multiplayer games. That's kind of my understanding. So, Beast, you know Type Racer is my best game out there. That's the only game I'm good at. Um, okay. Okay. Must be set up in C++. Perfect. I know I'm kind of reading this. Yes, I remember. If anyone watched the last stream where I worked with gameplay ability system, you will remember that I could not pronounce ability system component. Ability system component. Ability system component. I kept saying like something else. I don't even understand what it was. And I remember one of the debates last stream was like, do you put in the player state or the player controller? And I think we ultimately just went with the player state. Bio, it's okay. No need to send me anything. I'll figure it out. But I appreciate it. If it's in a GitHub repo, that would be preferable though. The main reason why I probably won't check it out is because like I don't like checking through Discord right now because I need the chat open. I only have 2 monitors right now and I have the other one for the chat. I'll check Discord. I'll figure it out. I need to just get through this. So this is just a list. I'm just going through this documentation. This is also a sample project in itself, which I could probably download and look at, but probably won't do that right now. Setting up a project, so I have to add the actual dependencies. That's true. Gameplay abilities, gameplay tags. Most your voice audio is on left ear, right ear couldn't hear. Oh, is that? How about now? How about now, AP Killer? Let me know if that fixed it. Is that what this setting on my mic is? There's no way that's it, but anyway, so gameplay abilities, gameplay tags, gameplay tasks. Okay, bio. Go make a project. Oh, bio. That I'll do that. I'll do that later, bio. We won't worry about the server stuff just yet. Not yet. Yeah, but you know I know that stuff. I didn't forget too much. Hopefully I didn't forget too much. Hopefully. Okay. Oh wait, he said private dependency modules? Is that what he does? Private dependency modules it is. I don't even know the difference. Private dependency modules. This is why I'm very inefficient. I like to look up stupid things. Private versus the public dependency modules. I don't even know the difference between public or private code. Oh, okay. This is a good answer. I like that answer. This is another reason why I'm very inefficient. I bookmark stupid things. I don't know why that would make a difference though. I am bio. I'll make it private. That's good. That's good bio. If someone finds this entertaining, then I'll take it. Elixir. I worked with Elixir like slightly in college, and in one class, and I was really bad at it, to say the least. Let me close this. Bro, I thought I quit Epic Games Launcher. Okay, so regenerate Visual Studio project files. Okay, that's easy. I'm gonna do a few things actually. I know this is done automatically when you make like a new class, but honestly it just bothers me, and I'm again really inefficient, so regenerate guys. Always regenerate. Always fuel yourself with milk. I'm drinking. Can anyone guess the type of milk I'm drinking today? Like, not that it comes from the cow or from a nut. It comes from the cow, but like, what kind of milk? Whole milk, 1%, 2%, or skim/fat free? Person who's able to correctly guess it gets a prize. I mean it. Well, maybe I don't, but okay, let's try again. Okay, I get the difference, but oh no. Okay, ability system component. What is this? I should probably read this as well. So much documentation on this. Chocolate milk, not chocolate milk. Your choices are A, whole milk, B, 2%, C, 1%, or D, fat free. Those are your choices. See, this guy puts in public. Or the documentation says put it in public. It's weird. Can you repeat that? So we got A, whole milk, B, 2%, C, 1%, or D, fat free. Those are the four choices. Can you guess which milk I'm drinking? Okay, ability system component. Ability system component. It handles all interactions, any one ASC attached to these objects. Okay. So attributes and abilities all handled by the ability system component. As a player state and the avatar actor. Ooh. 2%, that is incorrect. It's not 2%. Although that is usually my preference, but today I didn't get this milk. Someone bought it for me, so I was not in control. But the 2% is usually my go-to. The owner actor and a okay. Alright. Now if your ASC is on your player state, then you will need to increase the net update frequency of your player state. It defaults to a very low value on the player state and can cause delays or perceived lag before changing to things like attributes and gameplay tags. Adaptive network update frequency. Okay, this interface has one function that must be overridden. So we have owner actor and avatar actor. So basically what it is, avatar actor is the character that's the main physical manifestation of your actor. Owner actor is supposedly the player state. And he's saying both actors have to override ability system interface and override this one function get ability system component. It's okay. The correct answer was whole milk. Yeah, not a big fan. Personally, a fan of. Have you set up gas before? No wholesome games. This is my first time. This is why the stream might be a little boring, to be quite honest. Ah. Okay. So I'm just reading this. Might be a little boring, but maybe we can learn a bit together, or we don't. I don't know. So ASC holds gameplay effects and active gameplay effects, holds gameplay abilities and activatable abilities. At any time that you plan to iterate over activatable abilities at items, be sure to add ability list _ scope _ log. You know what they should do? They should make a gas template. Like in the launcher when you make a project. Because what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace the basic things that are already made for you, like sprinting, walking, moving left and right with abilities. And beast, you did say it, but you said every other choice. I couldn't give you the point. Excuse me, I couldn't give you the point there, beast. I'll give you a quarter point, beast, because you said every single answer, so I'll give you a quarter point. And then necromance when it falls out of scope. Do not try to remove an ability inside the scope of ability list scope lock. Okay. Don't know what that means. Oh, wait. I don't. I'll figure that out later. Gameplay effects, gameplay tags, and gameplay cues. So we have replication modes. I think I went over this a little bit last time. We'll probably be in the mix mode. I feel you, wholesome games. I feel you. I feel that so much. We're all constantly learning. Gameplay effects are only replicated to the owning client. Only gameplay tags and gameplay cues are replicated to everyone. Okay. I'm not even sure about that either. Player state owner is the controller by default, but characters is not. If using mixed replication mode with the owner actor, not the player state, then you need to call set owner on the owner actor with the valid controller. Great. That's why I think this paragraph is why last time I was kind of wondering to myself, do we put the ability system component in the controller, or do we put it in the character or in the player state? But I don't really know myself, so okay. Also, Trenick has like he has multiple projects. Yeah, Holson, I completely agree. That's actually literally why I'm using this. That's literally why I'm using this. So let's go to private. Let's look at the player state. So he sets net update frequency to 100, and he was talking about advanced update frequency. I mean, is this like just automatically? He said enable it, but use adaptive no update frequency. That would normally waste and redundant to really when nothing is really changing. The system will. Okay, so basically, adaptive net update frequency is literally what the name says. It's literally like when you're replicating, you don't always replicate, all the time. You adapt. That is a terrible explanation. But that's what happens when I try to explain things I hear about for the first time. Each actor's possible range of update rates is determined by two variables on the actor itself, net update frequency and min net update frequency. Net update frequency indicates the maximum number of times per second that the actor will attempt to update itself. And then min net update frequency at the minimum. They should call this max then, but okay. I won't go into the we'll talk about the algorithms. Why not? Okay, all right, that's pretty straightforward. Basically, if there isn't a meaningful update, then you lower the rate at which you look for updates. And then there's the opposite. If you have like a lot of updates, then you increase the rate. A lot of meaningful updates, and you increase the rate at which you look for updates. God, I'm terrible at this. Okay. Let me read the rest of the article. Property replication. I feel like I've read this before, but probably not in depth. Okay. Let's just talk about replicate. Why can I not get attributes set that H working beast? That's a great question. Yep. This is pretty true. This is actually I wish I read this first, because I remember in the very early days of Fortnite Clone, I think it was one of the very first tests, the movement replication was bugged out because I didn't realize the move right, or I didn't use, so to implement sprinting, I didn't modify the move, the default move functions that come with an Unreal Engine project. Like I didn't use move forward or move right. Like I didn't modify these. I made like my own functions and I increased the speed. The problem was these functions I made only increased the speed client side. So when it came to testing the game, it was super laggy because of this warning. Changing a replicated variable's value on the client is not recommended. The value will continue to differ from the server's value until the next time the server detects a change and sends an update. If the server's copy of the property does not change very often, it can be a long time before the client receives a correction. It's very true. Actor property replication is reliable. Okay, this is just some stuff talking about like the rate at which changes happen on the server, like how fast they'll like get received by the client. It's reliable, so it will be received by the client eventually. To replicate a property, you need to do a few things. Yep, add this. You need this. And you definitely need that. Although usually a lot of times B replicates is set to true by default. Actors will observe a maximum update frequency. Common update frequency values are 10. 5 or 2. That's why I'm a little afraid, because in his project he sets it to 100. F. I agree, just chill please. I'm definitely very... 100 is really high. I don't know if I'm gonna do 100. Yeah, I don't know. You're good, just chill, don't worry. By default, this frequency. Okay, so how does he enable it? Or does he? Or is this just outdated? I don't even know. Okay, maybe it's he doesn't use it. Okay, that's okay. So we're gonna look at his player state, and we're gonna look at his include file for it as well. Also, I gotta check the time soon, because again, we can't stream too long on YouTube. Okay, we're good. Only an hour 18. Would like to see that. Oh God, why did I go here? Okay, so he does a couple things. So, okay. It's working now. Nice beast, nice. Okay, so let's look at his constructor. Oh, I have to make it. It's cute. I gotta make it. I don't even have it. I forgot I'm working from scratch here. Boop. Flop Night. What a name. Beautiful name. Flop Night. Oh my goodness. How's everyone's day going? That's the real question. At least by me, the weather's really nice. My mouse wheel? Instead of dragging and dropping a file to the browser. Wait. Oh, you mean like this? Like right clicking? Or do you mean... Oh! I gotta remember that. See, now I gotta do that more. I need to ingrain that in my brain. Oh my goodness. This is the greatest thing I've ever seen in my life. Oh man, I gotta remember that though. See, now I'm gonna feel bad if I don't remember how to do that. Epic gamer name. This is the greatest thing I've... So what if I... This is the greatest thing. Getting cold in Toronto. I can imagine. Oh, thank you, Zamono. I appreciate that. That's too kind. Yeah, I can see that, just chill please, because I mean I'm kind, I'm not, I'm say I'm relatively close to you, and I thought it was kind of getting kind of cold today as well. So I can only imagine. Toronto is beautiful, but I will admit that when the weather gets extreme there, it gets pretty extreme. Like it gets either really cold or really hot. I obviously don't live there, but I've noticed a lot of times the weather can be extreme. But it's not a bad thing. I mean, it's just temperature. There are other extreme weather conditions that I can point to that are much worse. Oh, you guys hear that ringing noise? That's the beautiful noise. Yeah, Akraf, that is dude, I gotta remember that though. Okay, mouse wheel opens it in a new oh, that's actually amazing though. Oh, I don't know if I'm gonna remember that, but that is really amazing. Thank you, Akraf. I appreciate that. Okay, so player state, let's go to the constructor. Okay. Epic day for because you're streaming. Thank you, Beast. I hope it's an epic day. We're gonna make it more epic. We're gonna make it long stream. That's why, guys. If you guys want to stick around for like a while, then I would definitely highly recommend going to the Twitch because, um. Oh yeah, Zamona. Okay, so I just realized. So it might be a little awkward at times because I'm streaming on both YouTube and Twitch. That's why. Again, if you want to stay for the stream like for a long time, I would highly suggest following us on Twitch. Because YouTube hates people who stream for a long time on YouTube. Unless your name is Dr. Disrespect. Well, I think the main reason is that just our viewer retention is that great with YouTube streams, and that's okay because I'm not trying to be the next big streamer. It's just trying to get me to work often. Damn, some Fortnite Clone making a resurgence. Yes, Shane, absolutely. Absolutely. So yeah, Zamona, I'm talking with someone on Twitch as well, who is from Canada. Yes, Shane. We're starting from scratch because honestly, I need to just learn how to develop, and we're gonna stream for a long time. We're gonna stream on Twitch once the stream on YouTube gets long. I'm actually on Twitch right now, so twitch.tv/flopbrand. Please follow. Thank you. Okay, back to coding. You finally went dark mode. So instead of wait, Akraf and just chill, please. This is the greatest invention I have ever seen in my life. Hold on, let me do this again. What if I just stream like for an hour just doing this? But no, I need to do this a little bit because I really do need to like ingrain myself to use the mouse wheel button because I really didn't know this. I didn't know this like at all. This is amazing. Yeah, Shane, I did go dark mode. I did it for the fan. I mean, we had a YouTube poll and an exceedingly large majority wanted dark mode, so I gotta listen to the people there. Okay. I need to like I need more room. Okay. So constructor. What else does he have in here? He has this. See, I'm like very skeptical of like. See, I don't understand why he made it a private dependency module because he clearly uses gameplay stuff in his public classes. Whole new world. I agree, Wholesome Games. I agree. Yeah, I'm just so confused. He makes it a private dependency module, but he's clearly using it. He's clearly using it in his public files. I want to even see if this will compile, but actually, let me just make this real quick. Let me see if this will even compile. A whole new world. Can anyone sing in here? Because I can't. But I do love that movie. I love Aladdin. I love the anime one and the live action one. I think they're both terrific. Oh, of course. Did I spell it wrong? Oh, you know what? Actually, why is it that? I know why it is. Because it's probably because it has to be a public dependency module. Oh. Let's Try again. I actually don't know why I had to regenerate my project files. I don't think you do have to regenerate your project files, to be quite honest. But yeah, it's definitely been getting colder here. Definitely been getting colder. I'm also really hoping that. Oh, I spelt it wrong. I don't think it had anything to do with this. Wait, can I use on? Oh, I can use it on this as well. I use the mouse wheel, guys. I'm not. I'm gonna try not to forget that. That's why we're gonna stream for a while so that I can remember that. Could you use on? Oh, dude, I thought you could use on text as well. I used the I used the mouse wheel button to try to get rid of some text. That was very. That was weird. Okay, I think for this stream, since we started late, I think I'm gonna keep streaming on YouTube. Maybe like, I'm gonna aim for the 2.5 to 3 hour mark, and then after that, we're gonna just move slowly to Twitch because I think. I know why this error is happening. This is because I forgot to instantiate something. But what was I gonna say? Yeah, 2.5 to 3 hours since I started late. I'll stream a little longer on YouTube. I think probably by that time most of you guys will be gone. And then we'll just move to Twitch. Canada is cold today. I agree. If it's cold by where I am, it's definitely cold where Canada is. Beast on YouTube said in Visual Studio go to Tools, Options, Text Editor. All languages, scroll bars, use map mode. Oh my goodness. This is another great invention. Okay. But anyway, I'm trying not to be in trance right now. But yeah, I gotta remember the mouse wheel for closing and opening tabs. That I think that's so key. But yeah, I need this method. That's one thing. Also, I don't know why he has class here. I guess he doesn't want to do the for declaration. Like if you get rid of this. Actually, wait, will it work? So you could still do that. No. That was a close one, guys. No. Cancel. That could have been really bad. Bull McCabe, great question. I think we are gonna use GameLift. There's no like specific reason, really. I mean, like when I say specific reason, there's no like technical reason, but we do have some credits that we want to use for AWS, so we will do that. Oh, forgot the return type. Guys, this is how you know I'm so rusty. But yeah, I did hear about some complete EOS plugins, but I don't know. I'm just like kind of worried about it myself, to be quite honest. Sure, those plugins are good. I have nothing against them, but also just from a time perspective too, I don't know how much time I have either to explore those. I did want to do it originally, but I think right now I'm probably gonna stick to mainly AWS for this project, just because like I know it and I'm trying to go for speed right now, not too much speed, calculated speed. Good question, McCabe. Bull McCabe. Okay, so I get that. So he also has a U property for it. How old is this project? Because he has like. Did he make this protected? He did. Okay. I understand why the gettability system component thing has to be public because. Oh, he made a custom one. He made a custom ability system component class. Alright, I'm gonna. So let me see if this compiles. Okay, I probably will. Let me just keep going with the documentation. So this is where he initializes the ability system component. I kind of remember this a bit. Typically initialize the server and the pawns possessed by function and initialize on the client and the pawns on rep player state function. Yep, that absolutely makes sense. Definitely makes sense. Okay, so he made a custom thing. I'm trying to use the scroll wheel here. So this is the ability system component class. I'm trying to figure out like what the point of this is. Let me actually understand what the ability system component is first before I keep going. I need like an actual understanding of ability system component. Almost forgot. Oh, I almost dragged it. I can't forget this mouse field trick. The core act is okay, so it's an actor component. Okay, I understand that. So let me look at the actual like variables of it. Callback. Okay. So I kind of understand this a bit. Okay. This thing's huge. Okay. I kind of understand it. I'll make a new one now. Can I not choose ability system component? System component. So I just make a blank object then. So he has a delegate. Okay. It's a multicast. Interesting. Okay, let me look at the actual, like, implementation of this ability system component. So I'm, like, very curious how this works. I feel like I look really weird right now. I should probably be more in the frame. That's it. Receive damage is the delegate. I'm just trying to figure this out. More like a basic. Okay, add dynamic. Okay. Okay. So then what's this function? On damage received. I just want to see like how this ability system component is being used. Yeah, so it takes 3 functions. When does it get called? Did I miss something? Like, where's the implementation for on damage received? Okay, it's right here. So on damage. On damage received. I'm going down a very bad path right now. On damage. It's another delegate. Okay. He's got a lot of delegates here. I mean, that seems pretty normal. On damage, dot broadcast. Okay. Might set in blueprints. You might set this delegate in blueprints. Which would make sense because this is a hybrid project. So we're going to keep going with the documentation. Okay, these are gameplay tags. Not gonna look at this now. Well, actually, what is a gameplay tag? Oh, hierarchical names. Okay, so the state of the object. Gameplay tags are for the state of the object. Okay, in that case, let me look at this guy. So he's got gas tutorials. I'm not gonna watch tutorials during the stream, but this guy made a gas shooter project. Same guy who made the documentation. No templates. I was looking at his project, so I'll look at it again. Dan's knowledge. Oh no, I forgot. I gotta use the wheel. This is just a bunch of links. How old is this? Wow, this is really old. $2016. No. Okay, well, so we'll just stick to these two. Alright, so I'll just make a custom ability system component class. It's not a big deal. I was just wondering, because, like, I was going to do that, but, like, I didn't really see an option for it when I was making new class. Let me just make sure it's even, like, enabled. I mean, it's not enabled, but I guess I'll enable it. Yeah. Alright, restarting. Okay. So I don't want to just like... Yeah, now it's there. Ability system component. Perfect. Wow, this is gonna be such a long game. Flop night. Hopefully it's not too long. I'm gonna be worried. Shouldn't be too long. 8 letters, man. You gotta be careful sometimes. That's why like games always use abbreviations, because these naming conventions can get really long. Making a new class. Waiting for this class to be made. This class is taking a while to be made. Compared to the player state. Player state was like instant. Okay. Man, that's such a long class. I'm not gonna do all the stuff he did. I just need to make it because I need to make it. Do I even need the Flopmite? Or... Like, does he... In his player state... Yeah, he doesn't have it. So I'm just gonna do... I just want to see if this compiles. Or if I still need a for declaration. Honestly, I feel like... I thought for this you would need a for declaration, definitely, but I guess I'm wrong. Oh, man. What? Ability system component is not a member. I need an include statement. Maybe I do need a for declaration. What did you say about the repo? Which one? Sir Beast. Probably need a for declaration for this. See, that's how like not used to Unreal Engine I am right now. Yeah, this won't compile. Which repo, Sir Beast? Oh wait, that'll work? Oh, I don't like that though. Why is it complaining? It's not. But it is. It's not. What? This is Visual Studio can be a little slow sometimes. If that works, I'll definitely do the for declaration. Might even do it for this one as well, to be honest. Oh, if that works, then I'll definitely do the same thing for... Oh wait, let me see if that compiles. I don't think that will, because this depends on this. I probably need both. Like pretty positive of that. Oh wow, yeah, that broke in a minute. That broke in a minute. The Fortnite Clone one, yeah, we'll rename it. That broke in a minute. Okay, I need this. That broke so fast. Fortnite Clone Repo, we're gonna rename it to Flop Night just because I think if we keep the name Fortnite, that's not gonna be great. We might keep the word Fortnite in the description though in our YouTube videos, but because I think that should be fine. But yeah, other than that, definitely gonna remove it. I think. Why is it complaining here now? Dude, Visual Studio is so slow. Because I know this is right. See, I'm going to go to error list. Oh, now it's complaining. No, see? Now it's good. See how slow that is? Visual Studio. Why are you so slow? I love you, Visual Studio, but sometimes you're big. You're thick. Not in a good way. Okay, alright, moving on. Getting sidetracked here. So in here, in the player state, this is where it, like, initializes everything. So, yeah, yes. Wait, I was looking at this already. Oh, that's gas shooter. I have way too many of these open. So player state, he makes the ability system component here, says replicated true. I feel like yeah, beast. I'm definitely gonna do that later. Not now though, but that's definitely on the list. Don't worry. VA is calling you. Beast, I'm not gonna use paid products. We don't. Flop RAM does not sell out. Usually. Why is this giving me an error? It's probably because I'm streaming, to be honest. I wonder why he's setting it to be replicated in here, though. Shouldn't have. I feel like by default it should be, but. What? Okay. Beast, you know me. I try to exhaust the free tier as much as possible for AWS. I don't like spending money on AWS either. I don't like spending money in general, unless it's on a new PC. I just ran out of milk. Well, in the cup. I might get some more in a bit. So I did this. I said. Whoa. Talus Lincoln. Absolute legend. Thank you so much. I appreciate it, man. And hello to you too. That's crazy. I don't even know what to say. That is the most crazy thing ever. Was not expecting that, but I appreciate that, Talos. It's amazing. Just godly. Flopram does love that. Okay. But anyway, so hard to transition off that amazing donation. Okay, so I'm just reading through this. He talks about the abilityless scope block, but I didn't really see that in his player state. The replication mode, I think I saw that. I'm just gonna keep going. I'm gonna go back to his. Also, I have to be really careful because if I get donations through like our Streamlabs link, I might miss that. So actually, let me put that up. I have a bad feeling. I don't think I missed any, but let me log into that. Let me just make sure like I didn't miss any restream donations. I would feel really bad if I missed any. That would be actually terrible. This is the ability system component. This is the player state. Okay. Good, good. That would have been really bad. But I do have a tendency to do that. So. Oh, I appreciate that, Talis. Appreciate that. Okay, we are at about 2 hours almost. Okay, I think in 30 minutes we'll move fully to Twitch. That's true. Talis, also, some lovely stream members taught me about the scroll wheel. I didn't know you could open and close new tabs with the scroll wheel. That's amazing. That's the greatest thing I've ever heard. I'm learning new things every day. Okay. Set replication mode mixed. Yeah, we'll do that. I'll copy set base. What is an attribute set? I feel like he explained it, or maybe he did. I know gameplay effects. That's pretty self-explanatory. Oh, actually, I think I know what gameplay attributes are. Actors that interact with the gameplay ability system will generally need. Oh, thank you, Beast. I appreciate that. That's right, guys. Always turn the ad block off. Always helps the channel. Yeah, Talis, I know I'm late to the party, man. I don't know it. I don't even know these things. Okay. Okay, I think I okay. Okay, I think I know gameplay attributes. Describe the state. Okay, so is this for things like health and stuff? Okay. I'll definitely make one for this as well. Let's do, let's make another class. Is it this? He has multiple? Oh, he only has one. What? Folder for one thing? I guess I could see that. Okay, he only has one. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna need that. So what does he do? He just makes attribute set base. Okay. I don't think I'll make a base. I'm just gonna make a, what is it though? It's a subclass attribute set. Okay, that's why. Oh, attribute set. I think I remember Mr. Beast referring to attribute set. Okay, attribute set. I'm gonna make this blank as well until I fully understand what I'm doing. Hopefully before I move to Twitch, I can just get like a good idea of. Hopefully I can just do sprinting forward and back, maybe left to right. If I can replace that with gas, that'll be good for me. And then we can move on to Twitch and keep streaming on there. It's taking a while. It's taking a while. It's taking a long time. Man, it takes a while to make C++ class. Never mind. Thank you, Talus. Enjoy the birthday party, man. Happy birthday to whoever. Beast. Soon. Not yet. We need a foundation. But we will. We'll have a new version. Trust me, Beast. I won't go through the effort of starting from scratch if I didn't want you to work on it. The point of starting from scratch is to make it way easier for people to work on it. I think. Okay. Attribute set. So he makes an attribute set. And he sets the net update frequency to 100. I think that might be a little too high. I think I'm going to do 10. I won't do, and I'm going to ignore the tags for now. Beast, do you watch Rick and Morty? I just want to make sure you understand where that comes from, what you're saying right now. The re. Is it attribute set base or is it attribute set? That was attribute set. Glad to hear, Beast. Glad to hear. Why does he call it attribute set base? Now I'm worried. Use int? I'm sorry, Beast. We'll hold off on that, Beast, or we'll do it off screen then, if that is the case. Even though my email kind of is already out there, but Oh man, I have a bad feeling attributes is already a property of player state, because if I remember from before, probably is, to be honest. Oh, my typing feels really slow today, guys. My fingers feel really weird. You know what it is? I think my fingers feel really cold because it's getting colder. It feels really cold. Feels really cold. Yeah, I have a bad feeling this is already gonna exist in the player state class. I can already tell. Oh man, my throat feels so bad right now. And no, it is not the disease that will not be named. That's just something else. Oh. Okay, I think we're good. Why are you starting from scratch? Damien, the other project is just so messy. I need somewhere to start from scratch again. And honestly, I think it'll be better. I think it'll just be for the better. And also, I need to learn, like, Unreal Engine again, to be honest with you. Good sir. Oh, shoot. Do you like pointers? What do you mean pointers? Like helpful tips? Yes. If you're talking about like the pointer variable type, yes. Dude, I'm telling you, Visual Studio is so slow. Look, it's gonna go away. This error's gonna go away. It's not. Should go. Yeah, see, it goes away. Oh no, it's back. Why is this here? Okay. You can warm up your fingers in Among Us. Wait, is this like a popular game? Because Beast mentioned it to me. Damien, the reason why we clone games is one, you learn a lot from studying other games, and two, the cloud in the name helps. Among Us, Beast said it was free for iPhone. Let me check it on. My fingers are really cold actually though. Is Among Us free on the phone? I mean, I can't really. Is it a multiplayer game? I would play it with you guys if I could. New cool battle royale game. It is free on. I'll install it. New cool battle royale game. Unfortunately, I'm one man, and one man cannot really make too much these days. I wish. Okay. This error won't go away, but that's okay. Let's move on with the documentation. So, okay, the ability system component needs to be initialized with its owner actor and avatar actor on both the server and the client. You want to initialize after the pawn's controller has been set after possession. Single player games only need to worry about the server path. For player controller characters where the ASC lives on the pawn, I typically initialize on the server in the pawn's possessed by function and initialize on the client in the player controller's acknowledge pawn function. See you, Damien. Thank you for dropping by. So this is where it gets like a little tricky for me because I remember you will type so fast to not get thrown out of the spaceship. Oh, maybe I should get on. Maybe this is a game I should get on PC. $5 on Steam. This is a Oh, I do like social deduction games. I'll definitely put this on the list for like another gaming stream. I do like social deduction games. Do like that. I do like that. I do like that. Hopefully I remember that. I might need a reminder. I'm gonna write that on Discord as a note to myself real quick. And also I do like typing, so as we know, I love typing. The base character class for this game. Yeah, so this is the thing I don't understand. He makes both. Oh no, I guess he said that. He said the avatar actor and the owner actor have to inherit from ability system interface. But I guess the weird thing for me then is I need to look at his player controller then. Okay, so this does not inherit from it. Is that the case in a shooter game? I need to look at it real quick. I'm in the private folder. He does. Still kind of weird, but I'll go with it. So I need a player controller as well. Okay. Trying to think here. Okay, so I already did in the player state. Okay, I understand. Wait, so what is he? I'm just trying to think, like, well, I think in this project he does it in the wait. You can FX, but this is supposed to be easier. So don't take my word for it, but that's essentially what I heard. Just thinking right now. I need some milk soon. So he does it on the as well. No, he initialized it. Okay, that's a little different. So what does he say? I heard something. What just happened? Oh, you know what is annoying? I need to log into Streamlabs on Twitch as well. Oh my goodness. this? I don't understand. Oh, I can't log into both at the same time. I have no... Bernardo, thank you. I think... Okay, I saw it. Wait, that was from 9 hours ago, though. Guess it was delayed? I don't know, it just happened. I need to add my Twitch to Streamlabs. This is so weird streaming on multiple platforms. Okay, I don't think I need the player controller just yet. But what is he... What is going on? Thank you, Andre. I appreciate that. That's really nice of you. I want to thank you for your game list series. I couldn't be more grateful. Thank you for watching, and thank you for the nice words. Really appreciate that. Hopefully we have more tutorial series to come. I'm thinking right now. I need to consult my flop RAM partner right now, because we have 15 viewers on YouTube and 2 on Twitch, and I'm afraid if I leave to continue streaming on YouTube like very soon, that not that many people will go to Twitch. But so I'm like kind of worried. Because I don't like quitting the stream when a lot of people are watching. I feel like that's kind of counterintuitive. But yeah, I'm just kind of worried that like if I leave, I'm not gonna leave yet. I'm not gonna stop the YouTube stream now, but when I do, I will go to Twitch. But definitely very, very afraid, because I don't think anyone's gonna go to Twitch. But I don't know. Also, now I'm just reading up on like why he puts the ability system component in the player state and not in the player controller. Play Kahoot? Thank you, JC. Appreciate that. Alright, we'll give it a shot. Just wanted to warn you guys ahead of time, you know. Why is he putting the player controller in again? I don't know. Player state it is. We won't fight it. I kind of want to know why, but at the same time, I don't. Possessed by... Okay, possessed by... Oh, I like that. I like that thumbnail. Anyway, what is this function possessed by? Twitch is better for you? So Andre, we don't really know. it's just from a YouTube algorithm perspective because we want to grow the channel, but we've noticed for some reason whenever we stream, our analytics just go down, like our CPM views, viewer retention, which is completely understandable. But the problem is like when some metrics go down, it brings everything else down, and like we just don't know why. Like it's very strange. But good question though, because I didn't really explain that actually. That's a good point. What is this possessed by function? Oh, on possess. Oh wait, no, that's the character. So then what's on possess? Okay, I'm hearing your answer on Twitch now. Fantastic. Ah, hello, Andre. Hello. On possess? What is on possess? I have too many things here. God help me. Okay, I don't know where I saw on possess. Okay, I'm just gonna keep going with the character class. I just go with the character class. Okay, here's on possess. Okay, it's in the player controller. So what is he doing there? But yeah, Twitch or YouTube, I guess it's fine right now. Until we move over. Okay, this is where he initialized information in the ability system component. Okay, so then let's go back to the character. Go back to the character. He's got more delegates. Gotta keep that in mind. Okay, so he overrides which function? Possessed by. Whoa. Oh, this is his base. He has like. Okay. Wow, this is. Okay, virtual void. Is this really a. Don't worry, Beast. We'll play some good old type racer. Where are the overridden functions? He protected? Maybe it is a protected function. Classic IntelliSense operation in progress. All right, I don't know. I'll just keep it. I'll keep it protected. I don't know. Okay, possessed by. So apparently this gets called on the server. I'll put it like. I'll put it right. I'll put it here. I don't know. Flop that character. Possessed by. No affix because I don't want to use stuff. I don't want to pay for things that I wouldn't make other people pay for. AWS is different because I want to. Oh, that's true. That's true. I forgot about Rider. Next time, not right now. We're already too deep into it. Is this a void by? Is this a void function? It is. Oh shoot, because I forgot this. Next stream, because I know Beast wanted me to do it as well. That I do actually want to do. So possessed by. Possessed by. Calls when this pawn is possessed by a player controller. It's true affix. Very good point. Very good point. Alright, so in here he does... So he literally just gets the player state. Only gets called on the server. Ooh. What? That's weird. I'm gonna regenerate the project files. Sometimes that has to do with it. Very weird. Didn't reload this. Okay. I saw that error before and it just didn't talk about it. I thought it was just like a glitch, but then it showed up again. I don't know why I'm like really hungry. I should be like one of those Twitch streamers who just eats on camera. Even though that's kind of disgusting. I don't know why people do that. Not hating, just a personal preference. I'm probably gonna get more milk soon. Okay. I mean, I didn't even like use the player state yet, but I guess I will now. I'm actually curious, how does he set his stuff in the game mode? Because I do things one way, but I want to see how he does some things. Where's his game mode class? Does he not have a game mode? He has to have a game mode. Okay, I was gonna say, there's no way he had to have had a game mode. Hero class. Oh, okay, it's a blueprint. Yeah, I'm definitely not gonna do that. How do you do it? I mean, I know the answer, but I don't want to look at my old code. I want to see actually how they do it. You should add Twitch link in the YouTube stream description. Yes, I agree with that. Ryan, if you're watching, could you do that, please? I don't know if Ryan's watching right now, but I would appreciate that. Thank you. I don't want to do it in here. I want to do it in the game mode. But yeah, no, JC, I do agree with that. I mean, if I have to look at my old code, I'll look at my old code, but yeah, like it's basically this stuff. Alright, I'll look at my old code then. How did I do it back in the day? I know it was really easy anyway, but oh my god, this is just so messy. Yeah, definitely want to do that. Game mode. I'm going crazy now. Okay, let's build that. Might have to get some milk soon. Actually, while this is building, let me get some milk. I'll be right back. Just gonna get some milk. Just real quick BRB. It'll literally be like 2 minutes. Okay, back. Okay, so we're good on that end. Let me just make sure I can play this. Okay, that's good. Alright, player state. Or no, not the player state, the character. So all he did in here was he... Yeah, we can get rid of that. So all he did in here was... So many classes. I don't even know. Okay, all he did was he just got the ability system component from the player state. That seems pretty straightforward. But I just want to make sure that's actually what he does. Because I know he does a lot of stuff. Sorry about that. Yeah, he does a lot of stuff, so... Hello, Razor. How are you? Ooh, I like the profile picture. I actually have a Razer mouse. So that's very coincidental. Okay, so that's pretty easy. We'll just do... We'll call the superclasses possess by function. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, it's very tempting to get visual assist because the autocomplete is so slow that I'm going crazy right now. Also, if you're wondering why sometimes I just don't copy and paste everything, I like to type things up just because it helps me like remember stuff, I guess you would call it. I know that sounds weird, but I need to include it here. So I'll do it at the top. Starting from scratch. Yeah. So we're just. I think Phil. Basic. First off, good to see you again, Phil. Um. Yeah. I thought it would be better to start over again, just because the original Fortnite Clone project was just too messy for me. I couldn't really understand it. So remaking it, I don't think it'll be that bad. We're still using a lot of models from the old Fortnite Clone. We're not gonna worry about that now. We'll import them when the time comes. But oh, thank you, Razor. It's the Death Adder V2, not sponsored, but thank you, thank you, Phil. I knew you liked the fade. I'll let my marker know. That is on point. But yeah, I just wanted to start from scratch again. We're just looking at gameplay ability system again, and we're gonna take a lot of time this time. We're not gonna stream too long on YouTube. Once the stream is done, we're gonna move to just on Twitch. We're on both right now, but eventually we will just be on Twitch when the streams get really long. And then yeah, hopefully we just do some basic gameplay ability system stuff. You know, do like the walking, sprinting stuff, or just movement for now. And then maybe we'll get into like maybe an aim offset or something. We'll see. We'll see where the stream goes, but right now just starting this stuff. Can you make emotes? If you're talking about in the game, maybe. That might be a little hard. But maybe. Okay, ability system component. Okay, so he just checks if it is. Checks if it's null. I will, yeah, Phil, I will start doing that. But I think the idea is, I just want to get like one published version of Fortnite Clone because I did promise a lot of people end of September, so maybe October we'll get into it and we'll dig into it deep. I think now my streaming schedule is like is going to be more consistent now because I'm gonna use Twitch as a platform where I can stream like really long amounts of times. Like I'm talking like 8 to 12 hours. Not on YouTube though, because if we did that, our analytics would go down the bathtub, and not in a good way, whatever that means. So next he gets the ability system component, so I have to add that. But yeah, first step is Fortnite Clone, because honestly, we gotta do this. Ah, I knew it. We'll go through PlayFab though eventually. But I also want to go into like what I guess maybe get into Unreal Engine game development in the first place, just making a game. Hopefully I can regain that passion. Not that it like really ever left, but I don't know. It's hard to explain. Going back to the character class, yeah, so I need this to inherit from iAbility system interface, and I need this function, has to override this function. What? Just do that. I'm looking into getting ranked play working. It has been pretty messy. The documentation for C++ is kind of S-word. That is unfortunate. But I will probably suffer with you very, very, very soon, so... Many YouTubers use a short pre-made video to redirect people to Twitch whenever they are streaming over there and delete the video once the stream is over. Ryan, hopefully you're watching. I think that's a good idea. Hopefully you heard that. I do think that's a good idea. I just don't know how to do that myself. What is this? Generated body? Oh, shoot. Well, I'll explain it. Also, why is this one not like... Oh, because I have... Why is it... Okay, I was gonna say... Wait, why is this? Why don't you pin the files in VS? Beast, because that's what a smart person will do, and I'll start doing that, because that's a good idea. Okay, that's normal. I'm just missing this. This, I can finally do that. Ooh, I want to start streaming like this, but don't know where to start. Any advice? By Mr. Waito. That's a good question. I would. Best advice I could give on that, first, make sure you can stream it. If you're talking about like game development with Unreal Engine, you're definitely going to need a strong computer. I'm going to be honest. Like at least 16 gigs of RAM. 8 gigs might be okay. Decent GPU. I mean, if it can run DirectX 11, probably 8 gigs of VRAM would be ideal. CPU, I mean, I don't even know how to describe it. Like base clock speed, at least like 3.2 gigahertz. But yeah, you just need a strong computer. We actually have a video where we made a PC. Or, sorry, not made, but we built a PC. Like, that computer would be good for this. It's pretty much like my computer, but it's like newer generation of some of my parts. You know, I was actually just thinking, I recently did a warranty request for my RX 580 GPU. I was thinking of doing maybe like a giveaway or something for it. I was originally thinking of selling it, but honestly, I might just give it away. But also, like, I don't know if I don't even want to do that because, like, RX 580, I just don't recommend AMD GPUs. Beast, I did. I pinned the files. I pinned them just for you. I might do that, but also RX 580 isn't even that strong. And also, like, it crapped out on me. And now, like, whenever I go on the AMD subreddit, I always see like people complain about their RX 570 or 580. And if you have a beefy PC weight though, then I would just say go for it, honestly. Especially like if you're starting out. I don't know if I mean I'm assuming you're a smaller channel. If you're bigger, maybe Twitch is better, but if you're smaller, I would say stream like 24/7. Try to get like the 4K watch hours. If you want to like become a partner, get monetization enabled, just start streaming and I think it'll only help because I the streaming was key for us for getting to that 4K watch time achievement and eventually getting monetization. So yeah, that would be my recommendation. Just do it. If you have the PC, just go for it. Ability system component. Does he have a U property for it? He does. I saw it. Okay, I'm not gonna use T weak object pointers. Just cause like I don't even. What is a T weak object pointer? Does anyone know? Cause I don't know. Build. We love to build. But yeah, T-weak object pointers. What are T-weak object pointers? Does anyone know what a T-weak object pointer is? I've heard them before. I've heard of strong pointers. Is it? I think it was like basically something along the lines like it can't be null. One will always crash. I love that answer. This will never crash. The below code is guaranteed to crash. Reason: you are dereferencing a pointer that has pointed to nothing. So that's the only reason? Didn't know that. So what's T? Is there T strong? Maybe I'm capping right now. I could have sworn there was like a. I could have sworn there was like strong pointers in Unreal Engine. Oh, am I wrong? But if it's a U property though, I'm kind of confused. A weak pointer will not prevent destruction. Oh, it won't. Okay. I was gonna say because if you tag a pointer as U property, it should prevent the destruction. I don't know if that's actually true, but. Oh, okay, it's not strong pointer. It's called shared pointer. So what's a shared pointer then? Oh, we're learning so much about pointers right now. I see. And that they prevent memory leaks, dangling pointers, and pointers to uninitialized memory, but they also provide additional features. Shared ownership, reference counting, enables multiple shared pointers to ensure that the data object they reference will never be deleted as long as any of them still points to it. Automatic invalidation. And it does not touch the ref count. What does that mean, JC? I feel like you know this. I'm just too stupid to understand. It does not touch the ref count. What does that mean? Alright, guys, I'm being silent right now. I'm just reading through this documentation. I mean, oh, okay. That's interesting. A shared pointer is when you want multiple owners of a dynamically allocated resource. Okay, I mean, this is pretty complicated. Don't think I need to worry about this. I'll keep reading a little bit more about weak pointers. This is way too complicated for me, but I definitely don't understand any of this. Pen. Tools, options, environment. Pin tabs. Or you said Windows, right? Wait. Oh, I like that. To read in general about smart pointers. Might do that. Also, Beast, thank you. That's actually a very good recommendation. I didn't know I had to do that, but I like how it's on a separate row. I will do that, JC. Let's just keep reading this real quick. You can then access. We were working with it. Breaking references. I think I kind of understand. Is it basically just that like with weak pointers? No, I'm probably gonna have to actually Google it. Alright, I'm just gonna look up smart pointers. Let's just look at the difference. Okay. If you know that an entity must take a certain kind of ownership of the object, always use smart pointers. I guess there's kind of a notion of ownership. Ugh. I mean, if I do the null pointer check, it's not really that bad. Let's look at this guy. So a smart pointer is basically just a class that wraps around a raw pointer. I can get that. Okay. I mean, Maybe I should just Google shared pointer versus weak pointer. Don't. Okay. I think I understand. I think I understand now what you mean, JC, by the reference count now. Let's upvote these answers. Okay. But then my question is, JC, then like why would the object to a weak why would an object that a weak pointer why would an object that a weak pointer references like ever be deleted? Or is that like just you don't know, so you just make it a weak pointer? Oh wait, no, I think so. Is a weak pointer basically like if there's multiple weak pointers to the same thing and that thing gets destroyed, then all the weak pointers will reference null. But if you have multiple shared pointers referencing something, then even if then like as long as there's still at least one shared pointer pointing to that thing, it won't be deleted. The object that you're referencing. That's kind of what I'm understanding. Beast, I'm gonna let Ryan handle that. I don't have enough monitors. Anyway, I think I spent way too much time on weak pointers versus shared pointers. Okay. 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 I think I kind of understand. It's not that important. Got sidetracked, but there. Sorry about that, guys. It's not that important. Let's go to. Let's go back. That was definitely a bit of a sidetrack. I don't think that was that important. I mean, it was interesting. I'm glad helped me there, JC, to understand it. Can I convert from what? Do the exact same thing. Oh, okay. Fortnite Clone Flop night. Okay, let's go back to this now. Possessed by player controller. Okay, so he gets the ability system component. He initializes it. We'll worry about that later. Come on, dude, you can do it. Thank you, JDBC. Wait. Thank you, JDBC. We will. We will. We will do it. Oh, I feel like it's exactly the same. Oh. It's kind of dumb. Thank you, JDBC. I appreciate those words of encouragement. Okay, so we have something. Affix, I don't know if you're watching. I saw your post in the Discord. Just wanted to check it real quick. I'm not even kidding, Affix, if you are watching, because I saw your post in the Game with Health channel in the Flopram Discord. By the way, you guys totally join it. They literally did that while I was doing the tutorial, and it was the weirdest coincidence because, I mean, they definitely didn't do it because of me, but it's just so weird, the timing. Like, the fact that they did do it while I was filming the tutorial. A lot of AWS changes, like, all the time, too. Like, AWS changed so much while I was recording that tutorial series. It was so weird. Okay, so what do you do? Okay, so that I'm gonna copy. So we literally just got the ability system component. I keep thinking this is Fortnite Clone. It's Flopnite. It's Flopnite, guys. Okay, so I get the ability system component. Init ability actor info. I need to look at what this is. Init ability actor info. Oh, that's a pre-made function. Init ability actor info. I remember we were talking about this like a lot last time. Okay, so this is the owner actor and the avatar actor. The owner actor is going to be the player state, right? And the avatar actor is going to be the character. So we're going to do that. But see, now I'm like curious, why does he just use an ability system component? Wait. Oh, but see, it's not gonna like that. Oh my god, this is so complicated. Did he have a get ability system component function? Maybe I just made like I feel like I just made an additional function that I didn't even need. Yeah, I don't know why I made this function. This one. Why did I make this? Okay. Oh, because I need that function. Wrong one. First off, I don't need this. Play a game. I'll play Type Racer. Not yet, Beast. Not yet. I'll make one by the end. I need to do it off stream because I can't leak my email. Or I'll do it like in like a, or like, I don't know. I gotta figure some stuff out. The project is just in such a weird state right now. And also, I need to like define like what I want like other people, for example, you Beast, to work on. Because I want to make sure it doesn't conflict with what I would work on. I need to look at the character class again. Okay, it's the base. So what does he do? Ability system component dot get. Didn't even know that was a function. We will commit, but I want to commit like this project right now. This project is a bunch of doo-doo. And I gotta make those branches off screen as well. I will play games soon though, because I think we're approaching that time where we're going to move to Twitch just to experiment. Ability system component.get. Why is this not working? First I want to fix this, then I'll move to Twitch. What is ability system component a type of? That's true, JC. I like to not I mean, I do like to make a lot of small commits, but not with the first iteration of the project. Cuz like I don't like to do commits with like I like my initial commit to be like a big working example. It's like some kind of feature, but right now it's literally just a blank project. But you're right, no, local commit is fine. But we will do it. We will do it. Where's the ability system component? Oh, that's why it makes a weak pointer. Okay, I kind of understand. Okay, okay, I understand. I understand. But why can't I use a hard pointer here? Oh, you might be right. You might be. I think there is a way to squash like a bunch of commits, JC, but I'm too lazy. And also, I believe in myself. I don't think we're gonna make a bunch of progress and then lose all of it. If we did, I'd be very sad. I don't think we're in a state where we need to roll back just yet, but I could be wrong. But yeah, in terms of why this is not working, I understand because this. Okay, so I have to think. So I can't change this signature because that's the overridden function. So I guess and I don't want to cast it to a U Fortnite ability system component. Like if I made it this, like yeah, that'll work, but I don't want to cast it every time. So, T weak object pointer it is. But why does that work? I don't understand why that works. Let me look at the difference again. I need to really look at this. No, okay. Okay. Hey, Jeet, how you doing? I think that's a compliment, maybe. Just looking at the difference between weak and strong pointers right now. What is this now? Hold on, let me look at his. Let me just look at what he does. He in his get ability system component, he does ability system component dot get. But for some reason, I guess he doesn't like that. Why is he not like that? Okay, I think we're about that time where we want to move over. Ryan, Ryan, you're messaging me on Discord, man. I told you, you gotta message me. Did you text me too? Ryan, I'm barely gonna check Discord, so like, you gotta message me in the chat, because honestly, I can't have all these windows open at the same time. But, I will move to Twitch now, so I'm gonna put the link to our Twitch now. Whoever, for people on Twitch, you guys don't have to move at all. But if you want to keep watching, you're on YouTube, I would say just move on to Twitch, and we'll continue the stream on Twitch in like a couple of minutes. Well, I mean, in a couple of minutes, we'll end the stream on Twitch. Ooh, I like that idea. I like that idea, JC. But yeah, guys, please follow us on Twitch, or just go on Twitch. Well, also just follow us too, if you don't want to keep watching. And then again, if you do want to keep watching, just head over to Twitch. We'll keep streaming on there. Playing the stream for a while, like all day. So that's pretty much it on the YouTube side. I'll see you guys later. But if you're on Twitch, then I'll keep talking to you guys. So people on Twitch, stay on. People on YouTube, either go to Twitch or I'll see you guys later. Check out our social medias in the description below as well, and I'll talk to the YouTube folks later. So Twitch, stay on Twitch. Thank you. I have to restart the broadcast to apply changes. How do I do that? I don't even understand. I'm probably still streaming on YouTube right now. I absolutely am.